whatever it is that you're planning on doing, don't do it.
Holding on by a thread.
Oh, look. It's Paul.
What do you want?
Nothing from you.
Face your fear.
Thea, please don't do this. You're gonna regret it.
I'm gonna do what I have to.
But this decision is wrong, and I can't stand by it.
I haven't seen Thomas all day. Do you know where he is?
In those desert
Thomas! Sorry, Thomas.
Hey, that's my son. What are you doing?
darkness tries to overcome sin from you're not alone. The darkness tries to overcome sin from you're not alone. The darkness tries to overcome sin from you're not alone.
Campfires are burning, the stories we share, brothers and sisters showing we care. Horses still grazing beneath the night sky. God's mercy reminds me His love never dies. It's a time for redemption, a time to be whole, with the love of my Savior healing my soul. Surrounded by friendships, tried, true and strong, in the love of the Father, I'll always belong. When the storms roll in and the night feels long, Jesus rides with me, keeps my spirit strong. Through valleys and shadows, His light will remain. A time for redemption, His love breaks the chains. With every sunrise, hope rises anew. The promises spoken forever ring true. Each step that I take, I strive to be bold. In the warmth of His presence, my heart He holds. It's a time for redemption, a time to be whole, with the love of my Savior healing my soul. Surrounded by friendships, tried, true and strong, in the love of the Father, I'll always belong. A time for redemption, forever we'll sing, with Jesus our Savior, all glory to the King. If mercy moves, then move in me, and bring my child back home to see. I'm not strong, I'm not brave, I'm just a mother who still prays. So if you're near, then show your face and fill this silence with your grace. In the shadows, I search for light. The weight of hope feels so far from sight, but in my heart I know you're near. Your whispers calm my every fear. I need you now, not someday soon. This field's my altar, this cry's my tune. If mercy moves, then